doing that. It's only a matter of time karma gets you. Oh yeah, you know what you did. I was there when you did it. You better wait for your time to shine, sugar, because God said he ain't gonna leave you in this. He said he's with you even if you make your bed in hell. And Paul could have got what was coming to him. I told you last week God didn't give him what he deserved, but grace and mercy spared his life. And so now you got your situation with your own personal serpent at your hand. And folks just waiting for you to swell up and die. They waiting for you to get yourself in a position where you need to ask him for a dime or two, so they simply could tell you no.